Good day guys, I'm Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in Auto-CAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So guys, first we draw these two circles. This circle has the diameter of 28 units and the outer circle has the diameter of 54 units. And for circle, we use the C enter command and we specify the center point for the circle. And for diameter, type D and enter. Now we give the diameter of 28 units, 28 and press enter. Now we draw the outer circle, type C for circle and type D for diameter. Now we have the diameter of 54 units and press enter. Now we draw a line here like this and change the layer. Now we change the line type scale 0.2 units and now we make the offset 82 units. Now we select these circles and copy it. Now we make the offset 60 units and 38 units. Now we make the offset 38 units like this. And we make the offset 40 units on upside. Now we select the circles, CO enter for copy and click here. Now we make this circle with the radius of 38 units and for that we use the 10-10 radius circle. (38 units). And with the trim tool we trim this circle. And now we draw this circle with the 84 units with the 10-10 radius like this, and we draw a circle here with the 10 units. The TR double enter, we trim this circle and delete it. Now we draw this line, L enter like this. Now we draw this circle like this. So guys, in this way we make our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or you can contact me on WhatsApp also. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.